Top 10 Most Beautiful Birds in the World. Which bird is the most beautiful in the world? Who is capable of answering this question? Nobody, because the vast majority of birds in the world are stunning. However, some species clearly have distinguishing characteristics that allow them to outperform the rest. Here is a list of the top 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Birds are beautiful creatures, you might even go as far as to call them majestic. But an under-discussed aspect of birds is just how varied they are. Some of them are so astoundingly one of a kind that there's truly no other bird like them. These are the most unique birds in the world. Number 10. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw is the world's largest flying parrot species, measuring 100 centimeters in length. They live in northern Brazil's semi-open areas and savanna grasslands. Their population has been declining in recent years. There are fewer than 5,000 hyacinth macaws left in the world today. The main threats to the hyacinth macaw are habitat loss and hunting. Aside from their size, the hyacinth macaw is known for their striking cobalt blue plumage with bright yellow rings around the eyes. The hyacinth macaw is also known as the blue macaw due to its stunning coloration. They also have a lovely long tail and a strong, curved black bill. Hyacinth macaws could make an excellent pet if properly trained. You should also give them plenty of space to make them feel at ease. They are very playful and do not imitate words as well as other members of the macaw family. You should be aware of the aggressive bill of hyacinth macaws. Even with proper care and training, there is no guarantee that they will not bite you. When in a group, hyacinth macaws can also be extremely loud. Number 9. Wood duck. The wood duck is one of the most colorful waterfowls on the planet. The male bird's head and crest are metallic purplish green. Their belly is white, and their chest is a dark red color. They have attractive, narrow white stripes down the neck. Their wings are blue and black in color. Male wood ducks are more colorful than females. They have a gray-brown head, a white belly, and a speckled white breast. During the breeding season, male birds use their colorful plumage to attract female birds. Wood ducks can be found in marshes, wooded swamps, and streams all over North America. The wood ducks are one of the most easily recognized birds in North America due to their distinct coloration and shape. Wood ducks, unlike other waterfowls, nest in tree holes and form flocks. Number 8. Bohemian waxwing bird. A medium-sized songbird with a distinctive crested head and black masks, the Bohemian waxwing. They are brownish-gray in color with white and yellow edging on their wings. As a result, the Bohemian waxwing is one of the world's most beautiful passerine birds. Bohemian waxwings are found in boreal forests throughout North America and Eurasia, primarily in Canada and Alaska. They migrate in large groups to the northwest parts of the United States in the winter. They build their nests on tree branches. Male and female Bohemian waxwings are distinguished by their high-pitched calls. They primarily consume insects and berries. Number 7. Blue jay breed. Blue jays are among the world's most intelligent and beautiful birds. They can be found in forests throughout eastern and central North America. Blue jays have beautiful blue, white, and black plumage. This songbird's most distinguishing feature is its loud, jay-like calls. They can also imitate the calls of other bird species. Blue jays are well known for their intelligence, in addition to their striking appearance. They may steal other birds' nestlings and eggs. Blue jays can also imitate the voice of hawks to fool other birds. Blue jays in captivity are said to be able to mimic human speech as well as the voices of other pets. Blue jays are gregarious birds that gather in small groups. During the winter migration to the south, however, large flocks of hundreds of blue jays form. Scientists are still perplexed by their migration patterns. Some blue jays do not migrate in the winter, preferring to remain in their natural habitat. Furthermore, blue jays do not migrate every year. Number 6. Atlantic puffin. The Atlantic puffin is a small, well-adapted seabird found along the northern and eastern coasts of the United States and Canada. Because of their large, multicolored bill and penguin-like coloring, Atlantic puffins are also known as sea parrots. The majority of the time, Atlantic puffins spend at sea. While swimming, their water-resistant feathers keep their bodies warm. They swim on the surface and underwater by flapping their wings. The diving ability of Atlantic puffins is exceptional. When diving, they can reach depths of up to 60 meters. Sand eels, capelins, and hakes are common prey. Atlantic puffins are also very good flyers. They can reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour by flapping their wings 400 times per minute. They breed on the islands of the North Atlantic Ocean in the summer and spring. In the burrows on the cliffs, they construct nests out of feathers and grasses. The female only lays one egg, which takes 45 days to hatch. Adult puffins leave the nest after hatching to find food for the chicks. They return with small fish for their chicks. Atlantic puffins can carry between 10 and 30 fish in their massive beaks. Number 5. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan has one of the world's most amazing bills. They have a massive, multicolored beak that can grow to be 20 centimeters long. The keel-billed toucan is also known as the rainbow-billed toucan due to its brightly colored bill. Their beak is a mix of green, red, and yellow. Despite its bulk, the keel-billed toucan's beak is hollow and light. It is composed of a single type of protein known as keratin. During the breeding season, they use this large, colorful beak to attract females as well as a defensive weapon. This lovely bird can be found in the forests of Central and South America. They are 20 centimeters long and weigh up to 4 kilograms. The majority of their plumage is black, with a yellow throat and chest. Because of their heavy wings, keel-billed toucans are poor flyers. They can only move between the branches of the trees by hopping. Keel-billed toucans are gregarious birds. They gather in small groups of up to 30 birds. They live in holes in trees that are either natural or created by woodpeckers. Their primary food sources are insects, lizards, and eggs. Number 4. Peacock. Peacock is the name of a male bird in the peafowl family. Peafowls are classified into 3 types: Indian, Congo, and green. The Indian peafowl is the most common type of peafowl found worldwide. Peacocks, male birds, are well known for their iridescent tail feather display. Peacocks can grow to be 5 feet long, making them one of the world's largest flying birds. In fact, a peacock's long tail accounts for 60% of its total length. Peacock's colorful tail feather display is probably the most beautiful courtship display in the bird family. Peacocks spread out their enormous tail feathers during courtship displays to show off their colorful patterns and eye spots. Peacocks with longer tails and more eye spots than others. Female peafowl or peahen prefers a peacock with a longer tail and more eye spots. The color of a peacock's tail feathers varies depending on the angle of light reflection. Number 3. Flamingo. The flamingo is the most well-known wading bird in the world. Flamingos are unique among birds due to their stunning red-purple plumage. Flamingos are found in 6 different species around the world. Except for Antarctica, they can be found on every continent. An adult flamingo can grow to be 4 to 5 feet long and weigh up to 3.6 kilograms. Their neck is long and lean, with a distinct downward bending beak. Flamingo legs are also very long, measuring between 30 and 50 inches. They can catch small fish, larvae, and planktons from the mud thanks to their long legs and specially adapted beak. Flamingos live in massive colonies with thousands of members. The food they eat gives them their striking red-purple color. Their primary food sources are brine shrimp, plankton, and blue-green algae. Flamingos also spend hours oiling up their plumage with special glands found on their plumage. It assists them in keeping their plumage in good condition at all times. Number 2. Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw is the largest and most beautiful member of the macaw family. They live in humid evergreen forests throughout Central and South America. They are well known for their vibrant plumage. Their plumage is bright red with a blue back. Their upper wings are yellow with a green edge. A scarlet macaw's strong, curved beak is another distinguishing feature. It has a white upper part and a black tip. An adult scarlet macaw measures 80 to 90 centimeters in length and weighs up to 1.5 kilograms. They are excellent flyers and can reach speeds of up to 35 mph. Scarlet macaws have a long lifespan as well. They live for 40 to 50 years. Scarlet macaws in captivity are said to live for up to 75 years. The magnificent scarlet macaw is also one of the world's most intelligent birds. They can easily learn words, sounds, and tricks in captivity. A well-trained scarlet macaw is said to be able to distinguish between colors and shapes. Scarlet macaws are also extremely vocal parrots. They have a variety of vocalizations, including screeches and squawks. Their diet consists primarily of nuts, seeds, fruits, and insects. Scarlet macaws can easily break any nuts with their strong, curved beaks. Number 1. Golden pheasant. Golden pheasants are well known for their brightly colored plumage. They have a lovely golden yellow crest with a red tip. Their underparts and faces are bright red. The sides and throat are a rusty tan color. The golden pheasant's wattle is yellow, and its upper back is green. In addition, they have dark red shoulder feathers and a long pale brown tail. Male golden pheasants are brighter than females. They are distinguished by their scarlet breast and flanks. Their central tail feathers have distinct black spots. Female pheasants have duller mottled brown plumage than males. Golden pheasants can be found in western and central China's dense forests and woodlands. Male golden pheasants are significantly larger than females. An adult male can reach a height of 42 inches. Surprisingly, the tail accounts for 2/3 of the total length of the animal. The golden pheasant is a poor flyer who spends most of its time on the ground. They primarily consume berries, seeds, and insects. The world is home to over 1,000 different bird species. Each species is unique in a number of ways. Their plumage beauty, size, call, migration behavior, courtship displays, and feeding habits differ. So, when it comes to the world's most beautiful birds, everyone has a different opinion. Because beauty is defined by the beholder's mind. Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Do you agree with the items on the list? Tell us which is your favorite and which isn't on the list. Which top 10 would you like to see featured next? Simply comment below for the next world's top 10. Which top 10 do you like to be featured next? Just comment down below for the next world's top 10. Please like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to click the notification bell for future updates.